Vanam Kottattum Tamil movie summary. As a young boy, Selva witnesses his paternal uncle Velusamy Cheva being stabbed by someone. His father Bose Kale takes him to the hospital, where Bose kills two people who were responsible for his brother's condition. Bose's wife Chandra is shocked and wishes her son not to become like his father. She moves to Chennai with her son Selva and daughter Mangai. Chandra struggles with adolescent Selva's stubborn attitude. Bose's elder brother Velusamy supports his family. As adults, Selva works as a call taxi driver and Mangai is a law college student. They share a good friendship with Ramanathan. Selva drives a couple in his taxi and sees them fighting over their breakup. The girl threatens her lover to marry her or commit suicide by jumping from a bridge into a lake. Selva saves both the boy and the girl, rescuing them both. Velusamy asks Selva to accompany him to a wholesale plantain market to settle accounts with Paramasivan. He gets the due money back and starts a new business of plantain wholesale. They approach the victim's family to supply plantains, which they reluctantly agree to. Preetha's family is heavily indebted, and they approach Reddy, a big head in plantain wholesale, for supply of Andhra plantains. Reddy agrees to do business with them provided they secure a shop in the Coimbatore market. Mangai intelligently accomplishes the task, winning a place in the Coimbatore market and befriending Reddy's son Kalyan. Meanwhile, Bose is released from prison after 16 years. Selva and Mangai feel bad about their father as he was in jail, and this will affect the respect in the neighborhood. Chandra gets angry about her children's attitude and supports her husband. Bose interferes in Selva's business without his consent, which irritates Selva. The plantain supplier, who belongs to the family of the person killed by Bose, refuses to continue business with Selva as Bose returned from prison. Hence the supply for plantains stop. Bose disappears from home for 3 days with Chandra's jewels. Mangai and Selva think that he ran away with the jewels, but Bose returns bringing a truck of golden fruits, plantain variety, procured from Bangalore. Selva is irked by the golden fruits and supplies them free of cost as they may rot at any time. He gets angry that Bose wasted the money. This ensues a fight between Bose and Selva, and Bose angrily leaves home. Bose also insults Preetha that she flirted with his son and made him give a bank guarantee for 2 crores. He misunderstands the relation between Mangai and Kalyan and wants him to stay away from his daughter. This angers Selva and Mangai, but they keep quiet for their mother. Selva finds that the variety of the golden fruit is in much demand and becomes delighted about the orders he gets. Reddy comes to Selva's home to ask Mangai's hand for marriage with his son, but Mangai declares that she loves her childhood friend Ramanathan. Reddy happily agrees to it and blesses her. Meanwhile, Bhaskaran has been following Bose the moment he got released from jail. His twin brother Natrayan warns him to stay away from Bose's family as killing him is not a solution, rather, his future will get spoiled. Bhaskaran accidents Bose's bike, and Bose is injured and hospitalized. Selva sees Bhaskaran running away from the hospital and chases him, but in vain. Meanwhile, George passes away. Selva consoles Preetha, and they start a relationship. Bose is heartbroken that his children do not accept him in their life and leaves to his brother's house. He finds the victim's family went to Chennai in search of him. Scared that they might harm his family, Bose rushes to Chennai. Bhaskaran tricks Selva posing as Natrayan and pretends to warn that he has come to save his family from Bhaskaran. Selva gets kidnapped by Bhaskaran. Bose arrives on time and rescues Selva. He tells Bhaskaran that jail is hell and that he should not waste his life killing Bose. If he still wants to take revenge, he can go ahead. Bhaskaran changes his mind and leaves them. The film ends with Bose and Chandra celebrating their 60th anniversary in their hometown with the reconciled Selva, Mangai, and the entire family.